Welcome everyone, this is Daniel Light, and if you're just in this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share with others so that they can benefit with you on how to get a free funded Forex account without risking any of their funds and capital. So in today's video, you'll be getting a free $20 no deposit bonus which has no lot size. Alright, the first step to take is to first click on sign up down here, showing down here. Once you click on sign up, then it brings this place where you put in your details and you put in your details. The next step is to put in the country where you're from. So you select the country where you're from and you click on continue. Then next, it takes you to this next part where you have to put in your Gmail and password, making sure the password is up to this requirement showing right here on the screen. And once you don't put in the password, you click on create account. Okay, so after putting everything complete and the password, after creating the password, a strong password, so you click on create account, and then it brings you to this next place where, so as you can see, we've been logged in, and the next step is for you to just scroll up here, scroll up and swipe to the left. This banner showing right here, you can see welcome bonus account, gain and hedge to trade. So all you have to do is just click on unlock $20 bonus. Once you click on it, it brings us to this part where you'll be able to verify the requirements you need to get the bonus. So you verify your email. It will just take a few minutes and then we'll be getting the bonus ready. So next, you click on verify email and a message will be sent to your email which you'll be using to verify. All you just have to do right now is to go straight to your email to get the link to verify the Gmail. So as you can see verify mail right here. You click on it and then your email will be verified. It will direct you back to the site where you have to do other requirements. So right now our email has been verified, and the next thing we need to do, so you just have to complete some few questions based on your personalities and your knowledge about Forex. So you click on continue and you see the first one is for your personal and financial details. So firstly you answer this question one after the other, and once you're done you go to the next one which is knowledge and experience, and also the third one for goals and amigal. So shortly I'll just have to quickly answer this step just to to be quick with the video. Okay, as you can see I just finished answering the third one which is goals and amigal. So you click on continue down here and it takes you to the next place where you have to verify your details. The next step is for you to verify your details, and once you click on continue it takes you to this page where you have to verify your details. But one thing I want you to notice about this place is that it takes a little bit of time to load because it's actually another web. As you can see, it takes the time to load, and once it loads, answer this question, select the country of residence and you select all country except from US. Once you click on it, you scroll down and click on continue. So next you put in the country you're from, Nigeria, and click on next. So it brings this next part. Okay, next, just to confirm your details to make sure it's correct. So the next one is for you to upload your documents, your government verified documents. So as you can see there's 4 options right here. You have your ID card, your passport, your resident permit and your driver's license. So for me I'll be using my ID card, so I just chose ID card and then clicked on next. So alright, so after verification you open an account with them where you see the $20 deposit bonus which you'll be using to trade. So from here now, also a message will be sent to your Gmail containing the login details about the no deposit bonus. So now you have to just head straight to MT5 to log in into MT5 so that we can start trading. So here in the MT5, put in the login details which was sent to your Gmail. Once you click on the server which you're using, as you can see, amigal. Once you type in amigal, you can see it down here, and you put in the login details which was given to you and you click on login. So once you click on login, you see the bonus right here in your MT5 ready to trade. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share with others so that they can also benefit with you on how to get a no deposit bonus.